Hi there, welcome to QA Lab channel. My name is Paul and I am a quality assurance engineer. Today we'll be discussing Selenium IDE automation. I'll run you through a series of videos explaining what Selenium IDE is and how you can use it for your test automation. So to the introduction, if you are new to test automation, Selenium IDE is a great start for you. It is a simple click and record tool that helps you create scripts from your browser. No programming knowledge is needed. It is a lightweight and very user-friendly extension. To get started, I will take you on how to install Selenium IDE extension on your browser. This is a very quick and easy setup, just a few clicks. You are ready to start recording automated tests on either your Chrome browser, your Firefox browser, or your Edge browser. And after installation, we'll jump right on the third video, which is first Selenium IDE test. I will take you on how we can run automated tests by opening a website, click through pages, log in, enter data, and make some validation. By the end of this video, the third video, you will have a saved automation file you can build upon later and practice better with. In video 4, I will dive deeper to explaining each of the Selenium IDE commands. These commands help us tell the browser what to do and how to do it. Commands like open, resize, click, type, and the likes will be discussed in details. Once you understand how commands work, you will be able to control almost all parts of web interaction. And to video 5, after generating test cases from our video 4, there will be need to group them into suites for proper test cases arrangement. Then we move to video 6. Testing isn't just clicking or scrolling through pages. It is about ensuring right things happen. That is why we have actual results and expected results. Before automation, it is assumed manual testing has been done already. So verify an assertion helps compare our actual and expected web interaction results. They help catch issues before the user does. And to our next video, the video 7 for this series, target locators. To interact well with web elements, Selenium IDE or other any automation tool, they all need us to find where elements are. And to do this, we need target locators. In this video, we will break down locators like ID, name, CSS, and expert that will help us pinpoint where elements are exactly on a web page. Mastering this is a good way to build reliable and flexible automation tests. And to our second to the last video, exporting codes. Exporting codes is done when we want to take things further. We can export our scripts into code format like Python, JavaScript, or Java. By exporting, you can scale your automation and integrate it with development workflows. And to wrap it up, with this last video, I will create a complete end-to-end automation flow using the Selenium IDE tool, from initiating a site, interacting with elements, verifying results, down to text completion. All this being said, we'll proceed to video 2, where we install our tool and get to work. Thank you so much for your time.